Well, the DNA of Sennheiser has two elements. One is engineering, research, and the tech world. So this is what we do. And the other part is the creativity and the freedom to express themselves of our customers, which we are serving. That's the broadcast, the film, the theater. So everybody who's creative. So bridging those two worlds, the high-tech and the creative world, that's our DNA.
Our recipe for innovation really is our curiosity, and that since almost 80 years. So our grandfather started the company as a scientist out of a research lab, and we still have that curiosity to find big problems and then solve them with the smartest people that we can find in the industry. By really focusing on the customer problem and creating solutions which are serving the customer better than any other solution which is out there. Our strategy to always be at the forefront also means that we always have to find the right balance between doing things ourselves, cooperating with other companies, and also once in a while acquiring the knowledge that we can find out there. So for example, Dear Reality was an acquisition some years ago where we realized we needed some speed in creating the spatial algorithms and creating with Dear VR, for example, wonderful virtual reality spaces to create content. On the other side, we also acquired a Swiss company, Merging, in the last 2 years, where we realized that we wanted to get faster in the area of network audio and also with the best input-output devices that there are in the market. So that is a company which is very respected and established in the market and adds very nice to our portfolio.
And the most recent acquisition this year was a company Showcode, which is a software company from the US, which is on the forefront of developing frequency coordination software, but not only that, but really brand agnostic, helping monitor engineers and front of house people to run the show on multiple topics. So this is the recent acquisition to really help our customers make their lives much easier.
We are already since many years developing great software. It's arguably the part where we're less known for yet, but in our products, which are based on the best hardware already, there is already a lot of software, but that is the part where we invest heavily, where we also do acquisitions, where we make sure that we are closer to our customers with our offerings, and it will become a more and more important part of a seamless integration between hardware and software. So the idea is that the best hardware plus the best software creates the best solution for our customers.
Our main ambition is to make the customer more happy than last year. So that's really, and that's what we're striving for. And if it leads to good results, ultimately we can all benefit from that. So our mind mostly goes about how can we develop an ecosystem for the customer that adds more value for them year by year, and with that we also see growth in the company.
We're both extremely proud of Spectera, the product that we just unveiled at IBC last week. A real milestone. It's the first of a completely new kind of technology. Since 1957, when we launched the first wireless microphone, it's always been on a single carrier, basically, and now we're talking about WMS, a broadband solution, which allows for completely new applications. So that is a platform, and the products that we've launched is really only the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to come into that area. We do believe that WMAS is a disruptive technology because it's really based on a completely new paradigm technologically. At the same time, it's also a absolutely disruptive approach because it's not a single product offering. It's more an ecosystem that we're building here, which will be able to add new features, new products, new applications as we go. So we're creating a platform and an ecosystem on which all future needs of our customers can be implemented.
So it can be compared the most from a push-button phone to a smartphone, where in former times there was just a certain set of functionalities on one button, and now as we are going into this platform strategy, any future requirement can be integrated, and we can spin our innovation much faster because most of it happens on the software layer. The one thing we've already announced is that there is also a handheld transmitter in the making and a mini body pack. So these are the two ones that are coming on the hardware side. But like I just said, on the software side, with the existing hardware, we can implement a lot more functionalities as we go now and as we interact with more customers. And what comes out from that discussion is, of course, open, because we've just started the discussion with our customers.
We believe Spectera can be conceptually a platform for other applications as well. Right now, there's so many opportunities in the area that we're currently looking at in the area of broadcast and live sound, that we first have to explore that and learn. The beauty of Spectera is that with that platform, we can very quickly learn with our customers. And if there are new requirements, new problems coming up, we can find solutions based on Spectera together with our customers.
But on a more abstract level, WMAS is just a high-performance wireless network that we provide, where we can transmit any kind of data. And of course, we focus on our applications, but as a platform technology, it can go way beyond that.